Hi, welcome to the Skinart family. We hope you enjoy this video and find the information informative. All Skinart courses have been designed to build your confidence and the practical skills you'll need to gain employment or open your own business. Historically, artists would enter the industry by completing an apprenticeship or internship. These pathways have all but disappeared and largely replaced by online courses. But after completing our work-study program, if you still feel you need hands-on or face-to-face training, we can assist you. If you are in South Africa or New Zealand, we can offer an in-person module. If not, first you will need to prepare a portfolio of the work-study assignments that you completed on our course. Then, with your training portfolio in hand, you will approach your local studios and see if they will take you on as a junior artist. If that is not an option due to your commitments, ask them how much they would charge you for providing you with practical training. We can assist you with a program of the training they should provide. We look forward to being able to help you with one of our many courses. We offer tattooing, body piercing, permanent makeup, microblading, tattoo removal and SMP, and many other smaller courses. Thank you for watching.